right there. So we have some chicken wing, we have some brown sugar burning, and wife is in the kitchen today. Today is gonna be a sweet dinner. Here we go. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna put like, we have a hot pepper in there. Huh? We have some scotch, we have a scotch bonnet pepper right here. It's gonna be beautiful. Look at that. You see all that brown sugar is making the chicken looking nice and rich. That's what I'm talking about. The real thing. So you know, today's dinner is gonna be off the chain. Here we go. The water in. Nice. Here we go. And we'll be back. Next, I'm going to show you the rice. And we have our rasta rice over here. So this is our special type of rice that I cook up for my wife. She likes. We call it the rasta rice. Have a lentil peas with a little pigeon peas in it and a little raisin in it. So something special. And our cleanse is finally finished. See? Everything is perfect. More wings over here. Whew. Step 5 is ready. Time to eat. Are you ready? Let's go eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We're always gonna bring you the real homestyle healthy cooking. You don't have it. So we have our rasta rice over here. So this is our special type of rice that I cook up for my wife. She like. We call it the rasta rice. Have a lentil peas with a little pigeon peas in it and a little raisin in it. So something special. And our cleanse is finally finished. See, everything is perfectly. On our wings over here. Whew. Step back is ready. Nice. Time to eat. Are you ready? Let's go eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We're always gonna bring you the real homestyle healthy cooking. You know how it is.